Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 8 to the power of 8 minus 8 to the power of 7. Now, expressing 8 as summation of 7 and 1, we have 8 power 7 plus 1 minus 8 power 7. Now, if you have x power n plus n equals x power n times x to the power of n. Outline this right here. Of 8 power 7 times 8 power 1 minus 8 power 7. Factoring out 8 power 7, we have 8 power 7 times this divides 8 power 7, 8 minus this divides 8 power 7, we have 1. So from here, we have 8 power 7 times 8 minus 1, that is 7. So from here, I can express 8 as 2 power 3. We have 2 power 3 to the power of 7, and this is times 7. Now, if you have 8 power x to the power of y, this equals 8 power x times y. So 3 times 7 is 21. I will simply have 2 power 21 times 7. Now from here, I can express 21 as summation of 20 and y. We have 2 power 20 plus 1 times 7. Now, if you have x power n plus n, this equals x power n times x to the power of n. So, applying that here, I will simply have 2 power 20 times 2 power 1 times 7. Now, let's find the value of 2 power 20. 2 power 20 equals 2 power 10 times 2. And this is just like writing 2 power 10 to the power of 2. And 2 power 10 is simply 2 power 5 times 2. And this equals 2 power 5 or to the power of 2. So, and 2 power 5 is 32. So this is 32 power 2. And 32 power 2 is 1024. That's 32 times 32. This is 1024 multiplication. So this is 1024. That means 2 power 20 is 2 power 10 to the power of 2 times 2 times 7. This is 1024 power 2 times 2 times 7. And 1024 power 2, what is the value? I can express this as, it's just like writing 1000 plus 24 to the power of 2 times 2 times 7. Now, expanding this, I can simply consider this. If you have x plus y to the power of 2, this equals x squared plus y squared plus 2 times xy. So, from here, I apply this. 1000 is my x, this is my y. So what I'm going to do will be to expand using this. So I'm going to have 1000 power 2 plus 24 power 2 plus 2 times 1000 times 24. And everything here multiply 2 times 7. But let's work on what we have here first. So I will simply have 1,000 squared, that is 1,000 times 1,000, that is 1 million. Plus 24 squared, that is 24 times 24. So I multiply this out. I use multiplication. 4 times 4, 16. Square over 1. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So I have 9 here. Then 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. So we add up. So when you add, this is 6. This is 17. 7 and other one here, this is 576. Then 2 times 1,000. 2,000 times 24. This is 48,000. And everything here, we are going to add them up and multiply by 2 and times 7. This is 2 times 7, right? And 2 times 7 is 14. So we have 1 million plus 48,000 plus 576. We add up everything. This is 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, 0, 1. Then times 14. So let's do that. What we are going to have will be 1048576 times 14. So we are going to start multiplying using 4. So you have 4 times 6. That is 24. Then we have 4 and carry over 2. Then we have 4 times 7. That is 28. 28 plus 2. That is 30. So we have 0 and carry over 3. Then we have 4 times 5. 4 times 5, that is 20. 20 plus 3. That is 23. So we have 3 and carry over 2. Then we have 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 2, that is 34. So we have 4 and carry 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3, that is 19. So we have 9 and carry over 1. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, we have 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So also, 1 will multiply everything down here. We have 1 times 6, that is 6. 1 times 7, that is 7. 1 times 5, that is 5. 1 times 8, that is 8. 1 times 4, that is 4. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, we have 1. Then we add up everything together. Now, when we add up everything together, this will give us 4. This is 6. This is 10. 0 carry over 1 out here. This becomes 5. 5 plus 5. That is 10 again. 0 and add 1 to here. That is 10. 10 plus 8. We have 18. 8 carry over 1. And add here. This becomes 2. 2 plus 4. That is 6. This is 4 plus 0, 4. And this is 1.